in Japan. So you're also using Japan's technology. Wow. So check it out this next. Culture. You may watch this now as your Ninong and his family.
Good afternoon to all of you, and Mushi Mushi, and this is once again your Denver Ninong Astro. Welcome to Ninong TV. You are live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And hello to our dear kababayan, OFW and non-OFW from Japan to Philippines. Mushi Mushi and arigato to all of you once again. This is Ninong sa Japan, the episode 26. Wow! We are going longer on our previous episode, and on this episode I will give you another food trip that will be perfect for your family and friends after they go back from Japan to Philippines. So they are a fresh balikbayan. They are finding a restaurant for a bonding, a food trip, and a special pasalubong for their loved ones. So I will give you some of the traditional Philippine restaurant and of course a Japanese restaurant that will be perfect for your budget and for your meals. Today is 5 p.m. in the Philippine time, and in Japan is 6 p.m. So Mushi Mushi once again, and in Japan it's 6 o'clock already. You're already cooking a food para sa ulam nito. And then in the Philippines, merienda pa lang to. Diba? So, for the first activity or slide that I will present to you, me and my family goes for your family and friends after going to Japan and want to discover more food trip for your pasalubong, because you will also go to your provinces and some of your loved ones after working in Japan. The Jayco Donuts. The Jayco Donuts and Coffee is an Indonesian cafe restaurant chain that specializes in donuts, coffee, and frozen yogurt. Especially if you have your children, if you have your apo, if you have your babies, no? Yung ating mga chikiting na mahilig sa mga snack, this will be a perfect place for them to enjoy the Jayco Donut. And your Ninong in the family also will give you a special tour and recommendation for our OFW and non-OFW in Japan and Philippines who is finding some of the restaurant pasalubong after came from Japan. So this will be perfect, and hopefully Jayco Donut also has on your branches there in Tokyo or somewhere in Japan. You can buy that and you can bring it home here in the Philippines. Basta wag lang ma-expire, no? Wag lang makanis. Sarap nyo muna bago nyo ipa. And iuwi nyo na sa inyong mga. Check it out for Jayco Donuts. And we're here in Jayco Donut. Ay, Jayco ba o Jayco?
Ewan.
Ay, Jayco. Iba pala yun. Hindi pala Jayco. With my sister. Hello. Hi, baby.
I'm looking at my picture.
So we will try this variety of coffee shop and donut shop for relaxation with your family and friends. What you will say, baby? What you will say?
Hi guys, I'm gonna play Chocobo.
Okay, enjoy. We will choose a variety of donuts. And sabi mo, sister. Hindi niya alam. Okay. This is another episode of Ninong sa Japan. Episode 26. for watching. You just discovered like Jaco Donuts. Now, for the last episode, I will give you the floor for Belgian waffle. So, ito naman po isa sa mga sikat na dessert dito sa Pilipinas. Kung ikaw ay matagal nang hindi nakakauwi ng bayan natin, no? Pag-uwi mo, marami pa rin tayong pasalubong na pwedeng mabili na pang-local at talaga mapipil mo ang Philippines ulit after you came from Japan. The Belgian waffle, we only use the finest and quality ingredients that we get locally and internationally. The best value for the customer's money. Undisputed leader in the grab-to-go waffle snack category. Serving fresh and delicious wax, which all the time. Okay, so that is Belgian waffle. And my family also visited some of these variety stores to give you a floor on where you can eat and then where you can discover a new variety food trip, bonding vacation with your family and barkada after going to Japan. So you have only 1 week, 2 weeks of stay with your family and you're finding a good variety of place for food trip that will be perfect for them. So this is, I recommended from my Ninaw sa Japan episode 26 is the Belgian. So if you're trying to save your money, you can afford some of the restaurant that I stayed at. Don't worry, because this will be perfect or it can be a good suggestion. So the Belgian waffle is here. Check it out. Watching. Now, after I stayed those of the delicious restaurant that your Ninong visit and perfect recommendation for our OFW and non-OFW in Japan. So, I will present you for the next episode is the CSR. Of course, if you feel blessed, let's bless others. Your Ninong donated some of his clothes, that some of it came from Japan also. And also some of that is a local brand that owned by your Ninong and used for previous years. Now I donated it for our hero street sweepers and garbage collectors. So that they can have their new attire and of course to share my blessing also as I feel blessed. Let's bless others because that is the role of our Lord and our Jesus that let's help, let's give from the chapter 5 of Matthew and 2 Corinthians 9:7. And the one who also give happy will be blessed by our Lord. So, this is also an educational for our OFW who have their extra clothes that doesn't use in several years, pinaglumaan ni anak. Bigay nila lang sa mga nangailangan. Magandang CSR po yan. So, let's also share the good deeds especially in Japan. Bigyan din natin yung mga basurero natin yan, abutan natin. Talagang ikatutuwa po yan ng ating mundo. Thank you for watching and God bless to all of you. And this is once again the title of our vlog Ninong sa Japan, the episode 26, Sayonara. And arigato to all of our dear watchers from episode 1 to episode 26. You watch my video vlog for our OFW and non-OFW who misses Japan to Philippines. The episode 1 to the previous and to the recent episode is available also on my Facebook. Just search Denver Ninong Castro and search Ninong TV. You will see the Ninong sa Japan episodes there. We are connecting through Philippines, through Japan, so that our OFW and our kababayan who is in Japan will be connected. And they will discover our Philippine country, what's new, what's the trend, what happened to our Philippine country, what can we go there, or what activity that we can do after many years or months, diba, that we are staying in Japan. We will go back home to our Philippine country and we will discover a lots of new services, foods, appliances, play store, and anything that will be perfect for the bondings of the Filipino people, family and friends after going to Japan. Again, this is Ninong sa Japan, episode 26, Sayonara. And arigato to all of you. Subscribe and buy this video vlog for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen record. Thank you and mabuhay.